There have been complaints of many mis-selling.
People don't tend to accept the fact that something bad can happen with my business. Okay, and they even if they plan, so they don't see insurance as a factor that they can rely on. In my opinion, the insurance companies need to design simple products, something like a comprehensive insurance without defining too many clauses in it. Screen the businesses from them. Give them something very simple, saying that, okay, this is what it is. You pay this insurance premium and your business is covered.
We are also seeing banks selling insurance under their roof. Even there are talks of that bank insurance model is being talked about. So bank branches are there across the country. How are you helping to increase the penetration of insurance?
Most of the banks, they have already collaborated with this insurance company, non-life insurance companies also, to ensure the assets of all their finance assets. Actually, they are taking cover of their own financing. Whatever is hypothecated, that must be insured because of some untoward incident. What we have seen, most of the business people, they think it as a cost. That is why they are avoiding it.
We'll move to Mr. Gopalakrishnan. He's listening to you very carefully, but he will tell you about the ground reality.
When the bank finance takes place, the bank itself have their own companies to have the insurance done, so that the entrepreneur has got no freedom in that one. Second thing, what is happening is, even the insurance people, when they do the insure, they are not completely forthcoming and telling transparency what are the points there. For example, in Guindy there was a flooding, and entire interstate state got flooding, and 80% of them, they couldn't get anything because the company had not been insured for flooding.
What is your advice and suggestion for people who are there on the dais? How should they make life easy for you?
Insurance, they should inform them what is a clear transparency. What are the things covered, what are not covered, and how it can be met, and how long a cover can be taken, and what you should do. All this information should be made available for the entrepreneur. It is not being done.
Mr. Thakur, this is a big market and a very big opportunity which is there because it's untapped, penetration is so low. How do you view this?
We have experienced that when insurance company comes to sell the product, they are not explaining it properly, and at the same time those people who are buying the insurance are not ready to listen the things. First thing, let us understand there is nothing called free lunch. Okay, the person who is coming to you, who wants to sell the product, is selling the product obviously because of some commission. Okay, so that's why he is selling the product. There is a lot of communication gap. In fact, the business people have also to open their mind, and at the same time the commission agents should also need to understand the products and explain them properly.
Some of the world is changing now. There are products available online as well. What is the importance of online? How can SMEs in fact listen to one but compare at the online space?
Almost everything is available online. A businessman can simply go to the web, create the plan that he wants to buy, add every cover that he wants, and it will be transparent. It will be visible in front of his eye, and then he can rate it. The premiums from different insurance companies will come on his screen, and he can compare which policy suits him best. So that kind of a model is what is required.
Then, Mr. Sivagnanam, how should we go about in the Indian context? Because majority of the SMEs are missing from the online space.
The risks are two types. One, the risk which can be covered by the insurance, risk which cannot be covered by insurance. The risk cannot be covered by insurance is very serious. For example, delayed payment, which is the majority of the industries becoming sick only because of the delayed payment. Number two, not getting adequate timely working capital. This is the another biggest risk. The risk from the banker side is after the lending is done, whether the money will come back or not. This is the risk of the branch manager.
We'll take it forward now. We have some questions coming in via tweet. So let's take those questions now. First question we are taking is from Mr. S.K. Umesh. This question is coming from Chennai. He's talking about delayed payments only, what you were talking about. He's saying delayed payments is a big problem. How can facilitation councils be made more effective?
The delayed payment is affecting so badly the SMEs here, and in spite of the fact that all the Facilitation Council and the Delayed Payment Act, SMEs are not prepared to go to these people for simple reason. Most of the micro and small units are depending upon 2 or 3 customers. The moment you go to a facilitation council, you are blacklisted by the customer. So when one customer blacklists you, the other customers knows about you. Oh, this man goes to a facilitation council.
How useful are these for the SMEs?
They are scared to go to the facilitation council, and the facilitation council is not having the teeth also.
Businesses usually try to avoid litigation or any kind of legal tangle in any matter. So the need of the hour is to make the process transparent. So the government have to start making the billing and payment process more and more transparent so that the suppliers know exactly what is happening with their invoice, and that's how this system will start improving.
DK Ram is the next question sending in from Chennai. Why has factoring not picked up in India?
What is factoring? The moment entrepreneur, the company raises the invoice, it is assigned to the factor. One company is their factoring company, agency. Then they will recover it from the this debtors.
Ajay Thakur sir, we would like to take your views. These are tough times for SMEs. So in these tough times, once we're talking about risk, should they also diversify? Should they look for newer markets?
They should not depend upon only one source of raising funds. Okay, they should diversify the ways in which they should keep on raising funds. We are in the equity market, SME platform is also there. That is the very easiest way to not only raise the funds but also create visibility in the market.
Let's take the next question now, coming in from Coimbatore. This question is from Lata. She says, can we take group Mediclaim for our employees instead of ESI cover?
Minimum 100 numbers. Then only they extend the group health insurance policy.
And you are in fact saying for ESI cover, they're in fact showing lesser. So difficult then in that case. Okay.
Yeah, group health policy has got some benefits when compared to the individual policies. So the maternity benefit can be covered. Then all this waiting period can be waived. All these benefits are there in the group health policy.
Next question is from S. Ramesh. He is saying, are there any specialized courses offered to educate SMEs on covering risk?
We conduct a lot of expansion, business risk. During the expand your business and improve your business, one of the topics covered is risk. And similarly for the exporters, we conduct regularly which country need to be exported, what are the opportunities available in various countries, and in the course of this training, one of the important element covered is the risk.
See, it's the responsibility of market leaders in the industry to create the awareness, which automatically brings the task of creating these awareness to the large insurance companies who are going ahead and launching these products.
SEBI has asked the top 100 corporate to have a separate committees for the risk coverage, even the top 100 companies. If that is the case, what do you say about the SMEs? SMEs, they don't know even what is the risk they are going to face.
Absolutely.
Because one is the market condition, the other is the uncertainty in the government, and the most important thing is the fluctuating prices of the raw materials. That is the basic problem. And another major killing problem people are not serious about is the coming of Chinese materials inside.
Ajay Saab, you wanted to add something?
Let us try to understand this is a cyclical thing. Okay, there are some good times, there are some bad times. Okay, what we have observed that when something is being offered to them, they are saying that I am worth so much, so I should not take anything below this. When they are bad times, they get panicked. So I think that the companies should have a clear-cut balance in their approach. When there are good times, they should not be overconfident, and at the same time, when there are bad times, they should not get panicked.
Time for us to take one more break. We will be back in just a while.
All this SME exchange, this thing, most of the people are not aware of it at all. How you are going to propagate this and make it more meaningful?
So the industry is opened up for the private players. So more than 22 companies are in the business. So due to intense competition, discount level from the S12 tariff has gone up to 98%, 99%.
ये कहानी है रोहन की। उसे बनानी थी एक शर्ट, पर ना थे उसके पास बटन्स, ना थ्रेड, ना फैब्रिक, ना कॉलर्स। अरे मगर ये देखो, 14 लाख सप्लायर्स और 1 लाख प्रोडक्ट्स। ये आ गया थ्रेड सूरत से, बटन्स घूमते हुए मुरादाबाद से, फैब्रिक फ्रॉम लुधियाना और कॉलर्स पहुंच गए चेन्नई से। अब रोहन हजारों शर्ट्स बना सकता है, पूरी दुनिया के लिए बिजनेस कम्स टुगेदर एट IndiaMART.
Time is only time. We are in this time. It's just a thing.
When your business has to move faster, we're the engine that helps it accelerate. Giving shape to ideas. Konica Minolta.
अच्छा सुनो, ट्रेन की टिकट्स नहीं? क्या? लाइन बहुत लंबी है? टिकट्स कहीं खत्म ना हो जाए यार. क्या है?
टिकट्स बुक हो गई. हाँ, मुझे ऑनलाइन पेमेंट के लिए भी यूज कर सकते हो.
स्टेट बैंक डेबिट कार्ड. कार्ड एक, खुशियां अनेक.
चल, अब होटल और टैक्सी की भी बुकिंग कर. चल.
ओके.
अब अपने स्टेट बैंक डेबिट कार्ड के हर ऑनलाइन इस्तेमाल पर पाइए रिवॉर्ड्स भी. शर्तें लागू.
There will be some fiscal stimulus provided in the budget, both in terms of direct taxes and indirect taxes. And I think the budget, they will try and get rid of the very negative effects of retrospective tax amendment.
प्रायोजक भारतीय स्टेट बैंक, हर भारतीय का बैंक. सह प्रायोजक CNS, MCB and RCCB for triple protection.
जनता के सपने साकार होंगे.
सपने दिखाने वाले नेता जनता को पसंद आते हैं, कि केवल सपने दिखाने वाले नेता बहुत समय तक पसंद नहीं आते.
शीला दीक्षित की सरकार थी तो दिल्ली में बिजली नहीं गई.
15 वर्षों में ट्रांसमिशन, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, लास्ट माइल कनेक्टिविटी, पावर की चोरी रुकनी चाहिए थी. उस प्रकार के जो कदम लेने की आवश्यकता थी वो बहुत ही कम लिया गया.
कड़वी गोली क्या हो सकती है?
कड़वी गोली इज अ रियलिटी पिक्चर.
जी.
आज के रिसोर्सेज कितना अवेलेबल है.
कांग्रेस का कहना है बीजेपी सपने तो बड़े बड़े दिखा रही है.
देखिए ऐसा है, मैं सपना दिखाने में विश्वास नहीं करता, मैं काम करने में विश्वास करता हूँ. नौजवानों को और बेरोजगार लोगों को आत्मनिर्भर होने का अवसर प्राप्त होगा, उनके अंदर स्वावलंबन का स्वाभाविक रूप से विकास होगा और स्वावलंबी जीवन व्यतीत कर सकेंगे.
Next 10 years of financial services, we will be a reasonably big player.
India is one country which has performed below its potential for very long.
There is nothing like real estate.
In last 1 month, I think सबसे ज्यादा अगर कोई लाइन हमने सुनी है, it is अच्छे दिन आने वाले.
कैसा है आपका भविष्य? क्या कहते हैं आपके सपने? क्रिस्टल्स कैसे बदलेंगे आपकी किस्मत? और कौन सा करियर है आपके लिए? जानिए टैरो कार्ड रीडर रश्मि से टैरो मैजिक, शनिवार सुबह 9 बजे और रविवार दोपहर 1:30 बजे.
Welcome back. You're watching Emerging Business Forum Season 4. Today we are here in Chennai and we are discussing balancing wealth and risk. Let's move to the next success story of Chennai now. This is the story of Sivagnanam India Private Limited. The journey started in 1991, a small beginning, and they have come in fact a long way. Let's take a look at the journey of Sivagnanam India Private Limited.
स्वामीनाथन सिजेनिक्स के CFO हैं. कंपनी का मुख्य कामकाज मैन्युफैक्चरिंग का है. सिजेनिक्स के सफर की शुरुआत सन 1991 में चेन्नई से हुई. बिजनेस के शुरुआती दौर में ही कंपनी ये समझ चुकी थी कि यूरोपियन बाजारों में काफी संभावनाएं हैं और कंपनी ने इन बाजारों का रुख भी किया.
We started 1991 we manufacturing fermenters as an import substitute product. In 1992 we are the first one developing pilot fermenter
94 first time in manufacturing auto global promoter, and 95 engineering promoters automation. In 1999 Institute sterilizable stainless steel lab promoters, we have this kind of thing. In 2001 we are launching magnetically driven lab fermenters. In the 10th year celebration we have conducted in our Chennai GRT Grand Days. We have come with the association with Anna University. This is our major achievement and milestone in our company.
इस सफर में कंपनी को कई उतार चढ़ाव का सामना करना पड़ा। कंपनी के सामने कई समस्याएं थी, मार्केटिंग से लेकर फंडिंग तक की, लेकिन कंपनी ने हार नहीं मानी और सफलता के इस सफर में अपनी सबसे बड़ी परेशानी फंडिंग का सामना किया।
Financial difficulties, those times Mr. Banks as well as NSIC will supported us in overcoming all these financial background.
छोटी सी जमा पूंजी और 2 लोगों से शुरू हुआ ये कारवां आज करीबन 45 लोगों की टीम में बदल चुका है। स्वामीनाथन मानते हैं कि इस सफर में उनकी टीम ने बढ़कर साथ दिया। उनकी टीम टेक्नोलॉजी ओरिएंटेड और एक्सपीरियंस्ड है, जो कंपनी के कारोबार में बेहद कामगार साबित हो रही है।
Initially we started with 2 to 3 people are working as employee in our organization. Now we grown up and we have some 45 people working with us with good support of all our executives, which are good.
सिजेनिक्स का कारोबार आज दुनिया भर में सफलता से फैल रहा है। कंपनी आज जर्मनी, इटली, सिंगापुर, श्रीलंका, मिडिल ईस्ट और अफ्रीका में तेजी से कारोबार कर रही है और आने वाले कुछ सालों में दुबई और इजिप्ट में कारोबार एक्सपेंशन की योजना है।
In our future plans, if we say, yes, now we are manufacturing all these things in Delhi, we are going to develop all these products in, we supply some of the equipments to overseas, like Dubai, Costa Vitamins Limited, a company which is situated in Dubai, and 2G products in Egypt, and Singapore in Singapore.
सिजेनिक्स और उनकी टीम लक्ष्य को हासिल करने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध दिख रही है। सिजेनिक्स और टीम को इंडिया मार्ट इमर्जिंग बिजनेस फोरम की ओर से शुभकामनाएं।
So we would like to congratulate Sigenex India Private Limited. Round of applause for you, sir.
We started in 91 as an import substitution equipment manufactured for pharma, agriculture as well as industrial enzymes and other things. So we are there in the field for the last 22 years.
Thank you, sir. Congratulations. And now we would like to introduce to you and in fact have a small interaction with Mr. V. Arungamam. He is the General Manager of NSIC. As far as the Chennai region is concerned and NSIC, what type of support schemes are there?
From the panelists, what we observed, maximization of the wealth and the risk. Risk not only in the money value, in business risk also is there. NSIC is helping the SMEs unit to diversify, to go for different suppliers, different purchase agencies. Another thing is, public procurement policy is available. 2013 onwards, 3 years it has been mentioned, all the government department has to purchase 20% of the product from micro and small industries.
Sir, what has been the response to this specific policy from the Chennai region?
Nearly 4,000 SME units are availing facilities from NSIC. This number is every year it is increasing.
Thank you for joining us and for the support in Chennai region. Thank you. And now we'll move ahead with the Q&A round.
All this SME exchange, this thing, most of the people are not aware of it at all. How you are going to propagate this and make it more meaningful?
We are sponsoring so many events, okay, and we are trying to reach each and every part of the city to create awareness.
Mr. Rajandran, even if you're talking about insurance, once you were discussing, you feel the premiums as of now are for all these are on the lower end. There's a lot of competition, but the demand is not there.
So after the industries opened up for the private players, so more than 22 companies are in the business. So due to intense competition, discount level from the S12 tariff has gone up to 98%, 99%. So this is the opportunity for you to insure all your assets, to take advantage of this competition and the low premium.
Why can't IndiaMART club the company when they are enrolling themselves in the part of the insurance sector, so that we don't need to go back to the insurance companies and get insured for that particular consignment?
See, IndiaMART is a platform where we are right now focusing at the marketing problem for the SMEs. What we are trying also to do is to tie up with some financial institutions and insurance companies where we can pass on the requirements of insurance and financing to these companies. So we are just doing it on a case-to-case basis. As these requests come to us, we pass them on to our partners.
See, for each and every consignment, you need not go to the insurance company. You can have a floating policy that is valid for 1 year. Whatever dispatches you are making, it can be covered. Automatically, it can be covered under a single policy.
Mr. Gupta, we were talking about risk and also for financing. You've also taken initiatives for young entrepreneurs.
Yeah.
If you can just in brief touch that.
For young entrepreneurs, Indian Overseas Bank is having a special scheme, that is IOB SME Micro One. There we are giving credit facility up to 50 lakhs without any collateral security, and it is covered under Credit Guarantee Fund Trust cover. For this, there is no IBA, Indian Bank Association, has very simplified procedure. They are having uniform loan application with a checklist of documents which are required to be submitted. This is available in the website of all the banks, and it is available in the branches also.
Any other question?
I actually had to fight to get a loan from one of the nationalized banks, and I had to run from pillar to post. With that loan, last 3 years, I have done 30 times business. And I want an enhancement, but they are simply rejecting it.
No, actually, whenever we are rejecting any loan application, we are not considering. It has to be done by the next level of authority. In case branch manager is the sanctioning authority, it has to be rejected by the next level, that is controlling office. They must give you a reason in writing why they are not considering the proposal.
That's all the time we have from the Chennai round. We'll be back soon with you in Jaipur with a new topic, a new set of panelists, and some inspiring success stories. Meanwhile, you can follow us on Twitter as well as on Facebook. But as of now, goodbye. Namaskar. सीजन 4 की शुरुआत हुई नोएडा से, मूव हमने बैंगलोर किया, मुंबई टच करते हुए अहमदाबाद और चेन्नई जाते हुए आज हम जयपुर पहुंच चुके हैं।
20 एम्प्लॉइज की सैलरी हर महीने की 100 रुपए में बनेगी, इंक्लूडिंग ऑल गवर्नमेंट कंप्लायंस, वेदर इट्स ए पीएफ और ईएसआई, व्हाटएवर यू से। सो आई एम सेइंग क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग सब चीजों को सस्ता कर रही है।
पूरे कल्चर, पूरी इंडस्ट्री बंद हो चुकी है इसी मोबाइल पे आकर के। सवाल वही है, कब नहीं, कितनी जल्दी।
पापा ने बोला पंखे का फैक्ट्री बंद कर दो, उसमें कोई प्रॉफिट न थे, और मैंने बोला नो, मुझे ये करने का है, मुझे पंखा बनाने का है। एक गधेड़ा आ थेपला के ढोकला नहीं कि हाथ फेरे और बन गए। पंखा है पंखा।
हेलो पप्पा, 14 लाख सप्लायर અને 1 लाख प्रोडक्ट आजो। यूपी से ब्लेड અને મોટર, હરિયાણા से કવર અને આપણા ગુજરાત માંથી પ્લાસ્ટિક અને બેઝ। पंखा की फैक्ट्री चाली पड़ी। मजा पड़ी गई।
Business comes together at IndiaMART.
Time is only time. We are in this time. It's just a fate.
When your business has to move faster, we're the engine that helps it accelerate. Giving shape to ideas. Konica Minolta.
चंद लकीरों की समझ से आप बाजार की चाल समझ सकते हैं, आंकड़ों का आंकलन कर सकते हैं, टारगेट और स्टॉप लॉस तय कर सकते हैं, अपना मुनाफा मैक्सिमाइज कर सकते हैं। सेंसेक्स स्ट्रैटेजी से जुड़ी अपनी किसी भी प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन जानने के लिए स्ट्रैटेजी स्पेस और अपना सवाल लिखकर 57575 पर एसएमएस करें।
देखिए सेंसेक्स स्ट्रैटेजी हेल्पलाइन सोमवार से शुक्रवार दोपहर 12 बजे।
प्रायोजक लक्स कोजी इनरवेयर, अपना लक पहन के चलो।
बोल स्टैंड बोल, बालकनी बोल, सिंगल स्क्रीन मल्टीप्लेक्स, खान कपूर बच्चन बोल, ड्रामा कॉमेडी एक्शन बोल, गॉसिप लिंक स्कैंडल बोल, आर पैरेलल कमर्शियल बोल, धंधा बोल, कलेक्शन बोल, बॉलीवुड में जो मांगता वही बोल। ये अपन का बॉक्स ऑफिस सैटरडे संडे जी बिजनेस पर क्या बोलता है।
प्रॉपर्टी प्लस में देखिए बजट 2014 में क्या रहेगा खास। रियल्टी सेक्टर के लिए जी मीडिया की खास चर्चा। डेवलपर्स की बजट से बढ़ी उम्मीदें, तैयार की जरूरतों की लंबी लिस्ट, और डेवलपर्स दे रहे हैं रियल्टी सेक्टर को इंडस्ट्री का दर्जा मिलने पर जोर। ये सब प्रॉपर्टी प्लस में शनिवार सुबह 9:30 बजे और रविवार शाम 6:30 बजे। प्रायोजक भविष्य का निर्माण आपके लिए।
सुबह की चाय के साथ दीजिए अपने इंटरडे ट्रेडिंग को नई फ्रेशनेस।
नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल संकेतों से बनाएं अपना पोर्टफोलियो स्ट्रॉन्ग।
FIs की रणनीति जानकर बढ़ाएं अपने कारोबार की मिठास।
और साथ में जानिए वो स्टॉक्स जो देंगे आपको मोटा मुनाफा।
तो कीजिए ट्रेडिंग की शुरुआत जी बिजनेस के साथ। देखिए पावर ब्रेकफास्ट सोमवार से शुक्रवार सुबह 7 बजे।
प्रायोजक है लक्स कोजी इनरवेयर, अपना लक पहन के चलो, और भविष्य का निर्माण आपके लिए। प्रायोजक है बजाज फिनसर्व, लेट्स गो फॉर ग्रेट।
रेलवे के संवेदनशील क्षेत्रों में FDI पर गृह मंत्रालय की आपत्ति, रेलवे की सुरक्षा का दिया हवाला। वाणिज्य मंत्रालय के ड्राफ्ट कैबिनेट नोट के बाद जताई आपत्ति। रेल बजट में सिक्योरिटी को लेकर हो सकते हैं अहम फैसले। ट्रेनों में खामियां ढूंढने के लिए एक्सरे सिस्टम का प्रस्ताव संभव। RPF की एडवांस ट्रेनिंग के लिए नई अकादमी का भी आ सकता है प्रस्ताव। NCR में 35 से 40 रुपए किलो तक पहुंची प्याज। महाराष्ट्र मध्य प्रदेश से प्याज की सप्लाई में आई कमी का असर। मुरादाबाद के हालात पर सियासत जारी। बीजेपी विधायक संगीत सोम के मुरादाबाद घुसने पर रोक। SSP के विवादास्पद बयान पर पार्टी नाराज, केंद्र ने मांगी रिपोर्ट। RJD ने नीतीश के साथ गठबंधन के दिए संकेत। लालू ने कहा बीजेपी से ज्यादा है JDU RJD के कुल वोट। RJD के बैठक का आज दूसरा दिन। जनसंघ के संस्थापक श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी की जयंती आज। संसद भवन में PM मोदी और आडवाणी समेत बीजेपी के तमाम नेताओं ने दी श्रद्धांजलि। कैथल में आज अलग SGPC बनाने का ऐलान कर सकते हैं CM भूपेंद्र सिंह हुड्डा। पंजाब ने कहा सिखों को बांटने की साजिश नहीं करेंगे बर्दाश्त। तमिलनाडु के तिरुवल्लुर में हादसा, गोदाम की दीवार गिरने से 9 की मौत। मलबे में कई लोगों के फंसे होने की आशंका। राहत और बचाव कार्य जारी। ISIS चीफ अबू बकर अल बगदादी का पहला वीडियो आया सामने। वीडियो में दुनिया के मुसलमानों को अपनी बात मानने का दे रहा है आदेश। इराकी गृह मंत्रालय ने वीडियो को बताया नकली। और फीफा वर्ल्ड कप के दूसरे सेमीफाइनल में अर्जेंटीना और नीदरलैंड्स का होगा मुकाबला। बेल्जियम और कोस्टारिका के टूटे सपने। नमस्कार, जी बिजनेस में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं प्रज्ञा गुप्ता और शुरुआत करते हैं